हाँ जी, ठीक है।
Hello. Next match on board number 3, Netherlands versus Iran in men's section. Here is the official lineup for this match. The referees are Ramesh, umpires Lavanya and K. Srinivas Rao. Post umpires Hiran Wak, Mai Raut. Timekeepers Tarun Shukla and Pramod. Dugout officials Bharat Kumar and Rahim. Scorers K. Devinder and P.S. Mahapatra. TV umpire Narendra Kunkar and Surendra Vishwakarma.
All right. Welcome to the first ever Kho World Cup 2025, everybody.
साउंड नहीं है. टोटल 20 हैं दोनों के, या 21-20 है?
All right, everybody. Welcome, everyone.
19-21 है.
Welcome once again to the first ever Kho-Kho World Cup 2025.
41. 20-19 39 होगी. 20 किसकी है? अच्छा, 19 गर्ल्स की है. इसको एक पेन देना, उसके पास होगा. लड़कों के पास है.
All right. So let's welcome Team Netherlands with a big round of applause. Team, start walking, please. Wow, and now let's welcome Team Iran with a big round of applause. And now, may I request everybody to please stand for National Anthem of Team Netherlands. All right, requesting everybody to keep standing for National Anthem of Team Iran. Now let's welcome both team captains to the toss.
Any guesses, sir? Guessed. All the best. All the best, both of you. You say, you call the toss, okay? He can call. Okay. For you, okay? This is tails. This is heads. Okay. After spin the coin, you say. Say. What is the choice?
Defender.
Heads or tails?
When I spin the coin,
You have to say. Okay.
Which one? Defender.
Say tails or heads you are supposed to say, please. When I spin the coin, please, you say, please. Just wait over there. It's a heads. What's your choice?
Has been won.
Just heads. Choice. Defending. Netherlands. Last one by Netherlands. Choice defense.
Netherlands have won the toss and they have opted for defense. So
They won the toss.
Iran will attack first. The man team is on court to play. That league matches going on. As you see, they are moving on the court and having their introduction, shake hand with their opponent team. This is a good gesture, and the play should be played for the sake of play. And both countries, Iran and USA, Netherlands.
I request Iran, kindly command occupy your boxes. I request Iran team, kindly come for attack. Place it. First match get in, Netherlands. I request first match get in. Place it. I request Iran, place it. Place it.
The Iran team has taken their place. They are going to attack, and the Netherlands first batch is there inside to defend themselves. They're waiting for the whistle to start by the officials. And no doubt from the media also to see when it should to start. I am the Bhupender Singh Tirthi, here to give you all details of the matches going on here. And
Please stand up. Please stand up and stay there.
as you know, there are
Stand.
4 terms of 7 minutes each,
Iran,
in which
stand up.
both the teams will get 2 chances of defense
Wait.
and 2 chances of attack. The team which will score the maximum point by putting out the defenders will get the more chance and more points to win the match. And now both will try to do their best for their league match winning performance. Team Iran is doing some better. I have seen their match earlier also. And Netherlands is also playing hard. So let's see what will be on the ground. As you know that every player is, when is put out, the opponent team gets 2 points for one out. And they will continuously attack
Iran team, please line up there.
on the defender team until the 7 minutes is over. The defending team must have to give their chronology of their batches to enter inside the field, as they have to come in threes. The batch of 3 will enter in the field. When all the 3 defenders is out, then the fresh batch will end, and for that 30 seconds will be given for them. The match will be stopped there, and after the 30 seconds the match will again restart, and fresh chasing on the fresh batch will start. So thereby this will continue until the 7 minutes of their chasing is over. And in that 7 minutes, how much points they get is their efforts. So Iran is going on attack, and Netherlands will defend.
Okay.
टॉक में तो आया हुआ है
टॉप बैक तो चला गया आपका ऑफिस में दिया हुआ था किसी के तो ऑफिस में हमारे लड़का देने लग गया बोलता हूँ ठीक है वो पटना के लिए कल काम
तक जरा है हाथ बढ़ाए लक्ष्य खड़ा अब पैर पटक के कह दे सबसे तू जिद पे अपनी है आज अड़ा हलचल हलचल देखे दुनिया अब चल तू चल देखे दुनिया अब तेरी तड़ी देखे दुनिया अब शक्ति तेरी देखे दुनिया पैर पटक के बदन झटक के पैर पटक के बदन झटक के ये ललकार है ये रफ्तार है ये हुनकार है मिट्टी की पुकार है ये ललकार है ये रफ्तार है ये हुनकार है मिट्टी की पुकार है
I request you down. Iran attackers kindly sit. Please sit. Out by Skydive! Number 10, out of the field. Out of field, out of field. Out by simple touch. Next match, please come. I request, Bhagavad Empire, kindly send the batches immediately, sir, without delay. Next match, get in, please.
Himself. Whistle is blown. Match is started, and the man, the Wazir, is there. He'd have no instructions or direction, so he made put out the 3-number defender of Netherlands by giving simple dive. Again by simple dive. Chest number 5 is put out. by 7 number defender attacker. As I told you, the Iran team is having good speed and they are having fast pace. Good dive, flight dive, and jersey number 1, defender of Netherlands, has been put out.
Next basket in.
The fresh batch of 3 Netherlands defenders, 2, 6 and 17 jersey number, is inside the field and Iran is ready to attack. Match started. Very good dodge by the Netherlands player, 17 number jersey. A good attack by the Iran side, and see that how fast they are trying. That's good. That's a good. It's a game. Number 2, the defender of Netherlands, trying his best. The foul is given because the last seater chaser have moved before getting caught. That's the foul. The simple touch.
Out by simple touch.
Defender number 2 of Netherlands is out. Well, again the Wazir has got the call. Nobody can escape. Nobody.
Number 17.
Though the defender is being given field out, he's self out. 17 number.
Question please.
He's out.
Out by Skydine.
And number 6
attackers, don't hit the player.
defender
Listen to me.
is out by
Who's the captain?
jersey number 4 of Iran.
Iran captain.
All the 3 out.
Captain, please come here.
Umpire, referee is giving some instructions to the
You can touch.
attacking team Iran that you should simply touch. You cannot force or push the player. That's not good. Play with the spirit of play. And that good match is going on. Because it is a game of speed, sometimes you cannot stop. Your momentum is so... It's difficult sometimes to control. Now, number 7, defender is also out. And this is third one is also out.
Number 26, out of the field.
Is out of field. Most of the players of Netherlands is going out of field, out of their run. They are not seeing the limit of the boundary, which is this. They have to see. Because going out, when they're both feet out of the playing field, then they are boundary out. That is self out, they can say. And the other team, that is the attacking team, will get the 2 points. The score is 24. Time left is 4 minutes 12 seconds. And 3 new batch of defender of Netherlands is inside. The continuous attack is being made. Number 10 Netherlands player is out. Good dive, but not fruitful. He is not able to touch. That's their chance. Yeah, good. He has been given out. 19 number by simple dive. That's good. That is sky fly. Very good dive. Sky dive. And number 9, chest number of Netherlands
Next ball get in, please.
player is out.
Next ball get in, please. Place it.
Still 3 minutes 23 seconds are left and 30 points have been scored by the Iranian attackers. They are doing very well. Still there is time. They can score more and it is Netherlands who has to defend.
Out by simple touch.
One more point to Iran.
Out by simple
Five,
touch.
just number 5. Netherlands player is out by a good pole dive. Very good pole dive by Iran.
Out by full dive.
And number 1, chess. Netherlands player is out. All the 3 have out. Fresh 3 are entering. So 30 seconds are there. They have to be inside,
Attacker please.
and the match should start with the 30 seconds over. So it's referee who has to give the chance. No chance, no chance. Very good dive by 9 number.
Out by skydive.
Iranian chess number 9 has taken very good dive. So the sky dive, and defender 6 number defender is out. Wazir is behind. It is not easy. He got the
Number 2.
the player has gone out of self out. Might be having some cramp in his thigh. He's went outside.
Defender please come here. Number 17 defender please come here. Attacker please come
You have, yeah. If you have any problem, you can take review. So they are going. The attacker is there, and defender has taken the review from the Netherlands.
TV umpire. Defender
So
review.
his question is that he has changed direction. The attacker has changed the direction, whereas it is correct or not, the TV umpire will give you the decision. Decision. The umpire
Review unsuccessful. Defender is out by simple touch.
TV
Captain, rubber review.
TV umpire have given
Next match, get in
the
please.
decision that defender is out because there was no any foul, and they have
Get in, get in, get in. Get in.
no review now. Netherlands have
Request
unsuccessful
kindly touch the
review,
players, don't hit.
and
This is the last and final warning. Otherwise, all players will get yellow card. Please. Out by simple touch.
defender is out by simple touch. And it was a good dive by number 5, chess number 5 of Iran. Defender is out, number 7 number defender is going out. And again there was a good dive by the Wazir of Iran.
Out by skydive.
And all the 3 now are out. The fresh batch will now enter.
Match, get in,
The
please.
30 seconds times are there for them to settle and to Iran to attack. So the attacker is on settled at the post. The wooden post is there, and he has started the chase. Good call is given, and oh, tried for the surprise attack
Out by
on
skydive.
number 10 Ali. He's been put out with a surprise attack, a dive catch. Oh, no chance of escape, no chance of escape. Here
Out by
again,
simple touch.
19 number defender of Netherlands is put out. Already 2 defenders of this batch has gone out, and 9 number defender is still inside, but he has also been put out by 6 number
Out by simple touch.
chess number 6 Iran player. Score has gone 54 very
Match, get in,
fast.
please.
Score is moving very fast. because the chasing is very fast of Iran. They are scoring.
Please get in.
Still 47 seconds are there.
Defenders, please get in.
There are still chances of putting
Attacker
some
number
more
7, please sit.
defender of Netherlands out. Let's see how far they go. Again,
Out ball, simple touch.
3 defender 5
Out
is
ball,
also out
simple
by
touch.
attacker number 3 was put out earlier also. So this is third one, and he is also out. All the 3 are
Out
out,
ball, simple touch.
and still 22 seconds are there. Now fresh batch has to come inside. The third one is this batch. The third one player is having some cramp in his thigh, so he is not inside. So only 2 defenders have come inside. So
Late entry. Scorer, late entry, 1 player injured.
yeah. So one player was already out of field because 2 only entered the field, and 1 was touched out. That is 6 number by the defender, and the last one was also with good tie by chest number 5 of Iran. 17 Netherlands, chest number 17 is given out.
See,
Ah.
scorer, check this back.
They are enjoying the game. Very good.
They got
Very
out.
good.
The remaining number kindly enter as late entry. It did not come.
Late entry then. Late entry then. So he did not enter the field.
We have a very short break.
Out of bounds.
Score is Netherlands 0 and Iran is 66.
जब अंदर जा रहे तब अपन चालू कर रहे थे लेकिन
स्क्रैम्प हुआ उसको, थाई स्क्रैम्प हुआ है उसका. हाँ देखा मैं निकलता. हाँ हैमस्ट्रिंग. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल यस डेफिनेटली. हाँ
Yes, sir. Netherlands, please come. Netherlands, please come for attack. Out of field. Please sit. First guy get in. Batch get in place. Netherlands, kindly sit. Please sit. Ready, ready.
The match is now started and Netherlands is now attacking. Iran is defending. 3 players of Iran is inside now, and the chess number 11 being actively chased by the attackers. Good dodge. No. Direction foul is given by the umpires, and after the foul is given, you have to correct your file by giving co, or you can go the other direction also. Wazir has been given ko and is trying. As I told you that there is no foul for direction of Wazir. So he is using his liberty to put out the defenders. Yeah, it is just like you see in the chess game. The pawn is there who can move either direction without any restriction. With that game, role is being given here, and this is Wazir, the name for that player. One player which is there in the team who can play the part of Wazir. Netherlands is trying their best, but till now they have taken only one defender out, and thereby 2 points they have earned. And again they are trying best, but the defense is very good of Iran. They are playing very technical game. Yeah, it is. You have to save when the attacker is on you. So by watching the active attacker always is advantage to the defender, so that he can see these moves, whether it's coming to him, giving ko, and whatever action he is doing, he can see. That is must. Well try, but not. He has escaped. Half-hearted trial.
Dream run!
You have to make your mind, and you have to decide in friction whether you have to put or try to touch the man out, or do you want to give ko to other seated chasers. So
Out by simple
Iran
touch.
is out by simple touch. Two Iranian players are out. This is again a foul of direction.
Dream run!
He has to give ko. He's going good dodge, good dodge. He's trying to make their direction wrong, but it is not good for defender to try for Wazir, because he's allowed to go.
Dream run!
All right, the try, the dive was tried but without any result. Again, he has given fake and gone that side. He is a very clever defender.
Dream run!
Yes. Defender is using their weakness to this benefit. That is what the direction they are using not properly. And for that, now he is out.
Out by simple touch.
Simple touch.
Next batch, get in, please.
The defender have
Get in,
surrendered,
please. Next batch.
and thereby he was put out simply by touch.
Next batch, please get in.
And they have scored 6 points till now. Time is very less, 2 minutes 2 seconds, and they have
Sit,
a very huge
Sit.
points differences. 66 points means 60 points still they are ahead, that is Iran. Now minimum 30 players, if they out, they can reach to that target. The target is very high. Well try, Wazir, but no result. This is first Kho World Cup being played in New Delhi 2025. We have 20 men teams and 19 women teams of 6 continents of world who are playing here. These matches means the tournament will continue from 13 it was started to 19 they will play final. Match is being played, tournament is being played on knockout, league come knockout basis. Means first league matches will be there and then after the best 8 teams will go for the knockout matches. So it will be a very interesting competition, though it is the first, but the players, those who are participating are enjoying. They are playing their best. New experience for them in a big and highly reputed competition that is World Cup. And time is time is over. Second term is over. Only 6 points they have earned by putting 3 players out. And
All right.
the Iran
So
have
now
also
the
earned
score is Netherlands 6 and Iran 70.
bonus points also. So they are having 70 and still they have chance to attack. After one inning there is break for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes again the match will start and both teams will come for their play. And number of their supporters are there on the galleries. From Iran, from Netherlands, women teams is waiting to see their team win, and they are supporting their country players. नहीं वार्निंग दी है वार्निंग दी है उन्होंने
फर्स्ट बैच में आ रहा यस और रिक्वेस्ट असिस्टेंट टाइमकीपर टू take dream run countdown and match Carniclos come down mention that
Batch get in, please. Batch get in.
చెప్తున్నాం నెక్స్ట్ వార్నింగ్ కార్డ్
भैया
Please sit. Please sit. Wazir, change the direction, face direction. I request attackers, kindly change the face direction. Number 11.
Yeah, now the attack is started by the Iran, who is attacking to the defenders of Netherlands. A good co, very good co. But defender is escaped. Now he has been put out by Wazir. Another defender
Out by
is out of Netherlands, chest number 7. Good dive, sky dive, and defender number 26 is out. All the three have been out.
Out by Skydive. Next line again. Please, attacker come here. Number 10 defender come here. 10 defender please come here. TV umpire, attacker review.
The review has been taken by the attacker of Iran team, and it is now TV umpire who will see
Defender is 10.
the review
Attacker is
and
6.
give the decision. The game is very fast. Within seconds, they have to decide what to do. And that is there on the field. Iran is showing their speed and dominating the game. Netherlands, though try their best, but in Wales, they are still lacking behind. There is a large and a huge difference, 76 and 6. 70-point lead is still there by the Iran, though Netherlands is having their turn of attack. One is pending, they can try their best.
Review successful. Defender is out by simple touch.
The review which was taken, defender is given out. Number 10 defender is going out. The Iran review was successful.
Out by
The
simple
Wazir
touch.
have
Wazir, don't push the player. Wazir yellow card. Attacking team, Wazir yellow card.
the umpire has shown yellow card by pushing the defender. You cannot push. The game is very smooth. You
Out
have
by
to
simple touch.
play with very care. So simply touch, you cannot push. Pushing is foul.
Get in.
Fresh batch of 3 Newlanders, Netherlands player. Number 1, chest number 1, 3 and 5 are there inside. And attack has been started by the Iran. Very good covering. And he has been given
Out
out.
by simple touch.
अभी यहाँ पे हैं आईजी में नहीं क्या हुआ
Yes, surprise attack. Very good attack. Very difficult for a player to defend. Yes, he has been put out.
Out by Skydive.
Wazir can go anywhere, but with some restrictions. The third player,
Out by
that is jersey
Simultan.
number 1 of Netherlands, is also out. All the 3 have been put out.
Next match. please.
Score gone fast, 88. Still 5 minutes, 51 seconds
Out of field, 1.
is left.
17 coming. Okay.
Lot of time.
Ready.
And the score is going up and up. Will definitely cross the century, I think. That's out. Just number 6 of Netherlands. Simple touch. Again it is Wazir. Again it is a Wazir. Wazir. He has put out It touched and put
Number
out
2,
the
Wazir.
70
yellow
number
card.
Netherlands
Red
player.
card. You will be suspended from the match. Please go outside. Please go outside. Change the Wazir. That's it. This is second yellow card in the match. You will be suspension, please. Please go outside.
The Wazir has been given, which was given first the warning. Now he is asked to go out.
Next match get in place. Next match get in.
He is out of the field. Umpire has asked him to go out, and another Wazir has come inside in his place.
Out by simple touch.
Good chase, good chase. Iran, they have taken another player out, and he is also going to be out. Yeah, number
by
7
Super
Netherlands
Touch.
player is out. It has become very difficult for Netherlands player to tolerate their speed.
Out by
There.
simple touch.
They cannot going far for them
Match get in place.
to escape from
Next match get in
Iran's.
place.
The third player is also out, and the score is 98 by Iran. Huge, huge, huge. Very difficult. There is no chance for Netherlands to recover. The only thing is they should play very smoothly without
Number
any
10,
injury,
out of the field.
so they can show their best in next match. But here for them it is a very, very difficult to score this. It's 100 point now. They have scored a century against Netherlands.
Out by simple touch.
Now Netherlands number 9 is also out by simple touch. Oh, this is again 19 is out
Out by simple touch.
by Iran's chest. All the 3 defenders have gone out,
Next match get
and
in
the
place.
fresh batch is in to defend.
Place it. Out by simple touch.
Chest number 3 is out by simple touch of Iran. Again Wazir in the action. Wazir in action, and he put out number 5
Out by
Netherlands
simple
player.
touch.
Yes, again
Out by simple touch.
chest number 1 of Netherlands out.
Get in. Next
The
match
score
get in
is
place.
gone higher and higher. It is 110, 110.
Place it. Place it. One out of field. Scorer.
The fresh batch inside of 3, 2.
6.
2 defenders are there inside.
6 and 17.
The match has started again. Only 2 players have come. One was injured, could not come inside,
Out by
and
Poland.
is
Out by Skydai.
number 6 Netherlands player is put out by number 11 of Iran. All the 3 have been out. Score gone higher, 116 against 6. Netherlands is only 6.
Place it. Sit.
Very huge margin, very huge
7
margin.
number.
Fresh Chase has started. Direction foul is given. Oh, just see the speed of chasing. Both players running, but succeeded Iran to touch. The defender is out. Oh, again, number 7
out of field.
of Netherlands is out by chest number 3. Again, he has put out. Chest number 3 of Iran has put out Netherlands 45 chest number player. All the 3 has gone out. 3 fresh badges coming in. And supporters are there to support their team of Netherlands. Women team of Netherlands is shouting for their players, still encouraging them to give their best. That is the sportsman spirit. Now there was try of pole dive but unsuccessful. Good covering and
Out by Superstar.
9. Again he has put out chest number 5. I put out
10
2
Superstar.
players in continuation, 9 and 10 of Netherlands. They were putting 2 players. And again
Out by Superstar.
last player of this batch is out. Score gone to 128. It's making me, I think it's making record the highest point by any team. Still 1 minute and 47 is there, and 3 defenders of Netherlands is inside. This attacker is very good. 3 number small but young and energetic. Oh, pole dive.
Out by Poldive.
Another player of the Netherlands is out. Last player of this match is running. Chest number 5 of Netherlands. And Iran is chasing faster and harder. Again pole dive drive, and it was a foul. It was a foul. He changed his direction, and thereby the defender is not out.
Clear the line, post line.
3 number, chest number 3. I said it. Again, direction foul. And at the last, chest number 5 of Netherlands has been put out by chest number 7 by simple touch. Another fast batch is fresh batch is there to come, and they are already उधर नहीं आ रहा
Out by Superstar.
Wazira put out chest number 6 of Netherlands. Last 19 seconds left, and 1 defender is inside of Netherlands. It will be seen whether he will be put out or not. Oh, before time. He has saved. He has saved. He is not out, and he is enjoying. At last, I am saved. They have to see their score, where they stand. Really a very, very difficult task.
Score after this turn,
140.
Netherlands 6 and Iran 140.
140. It is so far the
उठ जा रे
highest score against any team
जाग जरा
in this World Cup match in men's section.
लक्ष्य खड़ा अब पैर पटक के कह दे सबसे तू जिद पे अपनी है आज अड़ा हलचल देखे दुनिया अब चल तू चल देखे दुनिया अब तेरी तारीफ देखे दुनिया अब शक्ति तेरी देखे दुनिया पैर पटक के बदन झटक के पैर पटक के बदन झटक के ये ललकार है ये रफ्तार है ये हुनकार है मिट्टी की पुकार है ये ललकार है ये रफ्तार है ये हुनकार है मिट्टी की पुकार है
Please sit.
The fresh chase
Out ball, simple touch.
attack is started by Netherlands for his last turn to try to get the maximum points by putting out the Iranian players. So till now only one defender has been put out and they've scored 2 points. They're trying hard but very difficult. Irani players are no match for them. They're very good in their speed, their skill, their knowledge and the game combination.
Scorer. Suspension. Number defense. Check करो.
Now second defender of Iran is put out by chest number 7 of Netherlands. The last player of the 3 in the first batch is defending. Surrendered by the player, self out. Third player of first batch have already out. Thereby 6 points Netherlands has scored
Next match.
and the score has gone to 12. Netherlands 12, Iran 142.
Please sit. Netherlands, please sit.
Simple Kho is being given, and Wazir is trying now. And he is out. He got slipped and out. Iran player, you come out. This is what the umpire is asking to the player. The chasing of Netherlands is not at par with the Iran. There was very fast chasing, and that's why they've scored the maximum by putting out the players. Now they have scored only 14 points. Netherlands trying their best. And they put out chess number 3 defender, and then another defender is out. Very good support from outside.
Next match get in place.
Lot of encouragement in the enthusiasm in the gallery side.
Cut.
Players, audience, they are enjoying the game. They are enjoying the match and feeling highly impressed with the performance of the teams.
Person అయినా కాదు వేరే పర్సన్ 10 నంబర్ కాదా ప్రీవియస్ వజీర్ నంబర్ కనుక్కొని వచ్చారు నంబర్ 10 కాదు పర్సన్ నాట్ దట్ పర్సన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ నంబర్ శ్రీను నంబర్
सर वो अलग चीज़ है, ये दूसरा लाइव था, वो था चलती हुई आगे नॉमिनेशन था ना उसका, नॉमिनेशन था उसका रमेश जोड़े का।
Iran's, instead of 3 players to enter in the field, only 2 players have entered, and another one is given out, the one who has not entered the field.
Out of field.
So he does out boundary, considered by the umpires. The points gone to Netherlands. The score is 22 for Netherlands. And the third player of the batch of Iran is running smoothly inside without any efforts, you can say. No easy playing. Netherlands trying their best, but they have to do their more. This chasing speed will not go up and will not put the defender of Iran if they try like this. Anyhow, the match is going on, and chess number 10 of Iran is trying his best. Now he is in front of Wazir. Wazir is not going to leave. He escaped. Very good.
Out of field, sir.
Time left very less. 39 seconds are there only. And Hughes' target is ahead, which is impossible. Just impossible. 22 the score going on for Netherlands, and time is only 26 seconds, which is just impossible to cover up. Anyhow, they can try for this last player of this batch, the 10 number Iranian defender, to make him out. They should try for that. Again, direction foul is given. Time over. Match finish. Iran has won by 120 points.
Please line up this side. Netherlands, please come.
खो के मैदान में सबको मचाते हैं लाल दौड़ते हैं चीता की रफ्तार सबको बजाते लाल घूम जाए रील जैसे टकेशी का राज्य और प्रेस करे जैसे चीता को
So, all the best. Final score Netherlands 22 and Iran 142.
को जश्न मनाए खो में खो जाए सबको हम बुलाए खो 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 मैदान का जुनून हर पैसे को लगता ये मशहूर
And now I would like to highlight the attacker. Jersey number 3, Amir Mehdi from Team Iran. And the best defender, jersey number 2, Rutger de Vroon from Team Netherlands. And the best player, jersey number 5, Ahad Raja.
Iran have won the match. Are they
और जो हर सोता हंसी अब ये खास का जुनून खो खो है सबको बड़ा पहचाना सबको ये दागा नो कारनामा चीखला सब लोग लेक मैदान सा खो खो पे चलेंगे हमेशा ये बस थाना खो खो मैदान का जुनून हर पैसे को लगता ये मशहूर का शोर खो खो सब लड़ने आए जैसी आमने चाहे हम उसी तरीके पे चले
And once again, please put your hands together for our official mascots for Kho-Kho World Cup 2025, Tejas and Tara.
खो के मैदान में सबको मचाते हैं लाल दौड़ते हैं चीता की रफ्तार सबको भगाते लाल
Next match on court number 3. Peru versus Indonesia in women's section. Here is the official lineup for this match. Referee Sri Ashok Kumar. Umpires Satyanarayan Jad and Rajat Sharma. Post umpires Sabarjit Singh and R. Ravinder. Timekeepers Afrin Sheikh and Kamakshi Kanpal. Dugout umpire Raj Kumar and Hardik Vaidya. Scorers Kiran Bhau and Subhash Singh. TV umpire Sachin Godbole and R. Ramesh. Shri Ashok, please take charge.
सबको ये दागा नो कारनामा चीक्स लाल सब लोग लेक मैदान सा खो खो पे चलेंगे हमेशा ये बस थाना खो खो मैदान का जुनून हर पैसे को लगता ये मशहूर का शोर खो खो सब लड़ने आए जैसी आमने चाहे हम उसी तरीके पे चले। उठ जा रे अब जाग जरा, है हाथ बढ़ाए लक्ष्य खड़ा, अब पैर पटक के कह दे सबसे तू जिद पे अपनी है आज अड़ा। हलचल हलचल देखे दुनिया, अब चल तू चल देखे दुनिया, अब तेरी तड़ी
Hello. Following officials, please assemble in front of the main dais. Ravinder, Rajat Sharma, Afrin Sheikh, Kamakshi Kandal, Rajkumar, Hardik Vaidya, Kiran Vo, and Subhash Singh.
खो के मैदान में सबको मचाते हैं लाल, दौड़ते हैं चीता की रफ्तार सबको भगाते लाल, घूम जाए व्हील जैसे टैकेशी का राज्य संग्राम चालू, क्रॉक्स और हरे को चला हम पढ़ते हैं मस्जिद चीता के साथ, ये है वशीना मैदान कशिश, सबको जश्न बनाए खो में खो जाए सबको हम बुलाए। खो 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 मैदान का जुनून, हर पैसे को लगता ये मशहूर का शोर। खो 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 सब लड़ने आए जैसी आमने चाहे हम उसी तरीके पे चले। पहली लाइन और दौड़ती सबको चलवाए, खो खो के इस मैदान में जीत सबको दिलवाए, खो खो के बारे में सबको ये मिलेगा और जो हर सोता हंसी अब ये खास का जुनून। खो खो है सबको बड़ा पहचाना, सबको ये दादा नो कारनामा, एक लाल सब लोग लेक मैदान सा, खो खो पे चलेंगे हमेशा ये बस थाना। खो 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 मैदान का जुनून, हर पैसे को लगता ये मशहूर का शोर। खो 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 सब लड़ने आए जैसी आमने चाहे हम उसी तरीके पे चले।